Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max and provide full guide. Please don't skip my video. So simply at first open App Store, go to search option, search it to ChatGPT. Okay, just install this. Okay, now successfully install this ChatGPT. Press on to open, and if you want to use this, at first need to set up, continue, sign up using your Apple account or Google account. I'm using my Google account. Select account, continue, and now set up, and it just ask anything, like I'm using voice memo, send, and I'm get feedback. So that's how you can easily use ChatGPT on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max.